Alrighty, guys. How you doing? Let me get my camera on real quick. Good morning. Good morning. So we've got one Apex account left. Don't let's see. Yeah, the last one yesterday, the fourth one we had we blew. So we've got 13 left. We're being stupid. So let's throw some levels here. The daily. This is obviously right here. I want to make sure it does go up to that level. That's a daily, so we want that super green. And if it's gonna go down. This is where it stopped. So we'll make that super red. We'll bring it down to the 4 hour. Of course, doesn't save it, but whatever. 4 hour right here. I like this level here. Does go up there. We'll make it not so much green. Make it one shade lighter. Okay. And then this right here, I like that. Yeah, I'm liking this right here. If we're gonna go down. But I don't see it, I don't foresee it us going down. Alrighty, and then we'll go down to the 60-minute. Let's see what we've got here. Oh yeah, if it touches that, I mean, this right here, it's gonna push through here, and then we can continue up. Nothing really, 848 level. I'm not really looking at anything there. Oh, this could be interesting right here. Not like this level right here. Let's make that super green. Uh, so we'll see. Oh, there are my levels for the day. Dark green. Is that set daily? I don't know what these guys are doing here, but we'll take those off. And is this something we need to kind of look at because it ran through? Maybe. Maybe that's a level we need to be wary of, and more so I'd really like around this area right about here. So we'll go down to the 15 minutes, see what's this giving us right now. Just sideways action. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Well, let's see what we've got on. What we got on the calendar? Nine. Don't have anything today. Let's see what's going on with oil. Supposedly they're going to be releasing strategic reserves. Not sure when that's going to happen, but supposedly to. So it's just done this little. Let me see if there's anything here. Oil's just been popping down in this little. So if I see oil coming down, we gotta take out that key level at 750. Close above that. Or we can make. Guess we could go for this one. That's pivot point. More so, I'm running to this. See this one right here. It's a 740. Need 2,000 to pass this one today. So or can we take this? Love to take that, but I'm waiting to go off without us. As soon as it closes off this 50 seconds, yeah, it's gonna come. Oh, once the 15 minutes close, we are going to break down to the 5-minute, watch for a retracement, and then a continuation. So we'll see if we get that. It's definitely going to close above this level. So we'll break down to the 5-minute. I'll be interested to see if it comes down here and hits this level again for a continuation off that. Because if it comes down here and creates some support, see how through like resistance right here, creates support, then you take that trade. But we'll see. Again, waiting for a 5-minute confirmation. I'm not doing anything. Oil's touching on that trend line, a 15-minute trend line. I did. Kind of. It's touching, not really. Well, oil's just dumping right now. Which means we should be getting a pump. It's good. So again, we wait for that 5-minute closure outside of the orb. Wait for a retracement. Again, it could just always go without us. And that's perfectly fine. Right now it's 30 points above. For the big scheme of things. Is it going to hit this up here? Come back down, continue. Could. Looks like that's what it wants to do, but we just react. It's pushing oil down lower. Just be patient. Just be patient. Let's check out the 2-minute, how it looks like. Straight up. Love to see the come down here to here, continue higher. So it looks like we're going to get that 5-minute confirmation. So let's wait for the pullback and then a confirmation out. So it just touched my trend line. It's going. I mean, can we take this trade? And we've got, I almost want to, but this is a pivot point, so we'll see what happens in this pivot. Let's see if Trump or Trump. When did that happen? March 11th. Oh. No, you didn't. All right, so what did we do? We went up 200 points. Freaking crazy. Market's ridiculous. Let's wait for that pullback. Let's touch back here. Let's touch back here. We continue. We already know it's going to continue up today. Well, we don't know, but we hope. So oil's pumping back up into that, pumping back up into that range. I drew a 15-minute trend line, really, so it's really just, are we going to stay within that range? So we're down here. It would be nice to get a fill right here. So let me see if we get this 2-minute confirmation. And the 5-minute and the 15-minute tell me going down. So we're still not done yet. Again, I'd love to see this pump down, create some support here. It does. Oh, it's taking that long. Taking it. We could be doing this just shorts, but there's so much noise right here. So much noise, but we'll see. See this right here, what I've created, like, to me that's a really good support area. It really needs to go down just a little bit. but doesn't have to be super perfect, just kind of shows me. And I'll see what happens right here. Like oil wants to dump again, but we'll see. And on the 15-minute, where's oil at? I mean, we haven't seen levels down here until it's at its pivot point here. You can push through that, close through that. It's gonna fuck off for a little bit inside. There's a gap. Like to see oil dump here. It's going to. Looks like a down day. We'll see. If we get all the way out here and we close through here, we'll look for a pullback. I want to see what happens down here. And we have a nice little level right here. I'm gonna look at the 500 tick. And the oil's having trouble pushing through like 87, 88. But I'm looking to take a short here if I get some confirmation. Now we're trending upwards. At 60, it's indecision. That's kind of shitty. See all this noise. Crazy. We got to get through here. Then we know we're going down. Now we just got all of this noise to get through. at that. Beautiful. But oil's dumping, so do we go right back up? Well, let's see what it wants to do on this trend line. If it's just bouncing on the trend line right now that I drew the 15-minute trend line. Really would love to take this long right here. It's a pretty big stop loss though. Let's see where it's set on the 5-minute. Yeah, I'd love to take this long. I really like take this long right here. We'll just stop it here. We'll go up to up the range. Oil needs to dump for me. Continue up, continue up. It's below that trend line. I mean, if it can it go push through right back to that trend line? I don't think so. I mean, it's got, just don't think so. Needs to do something. Oh, it's gonna push back up. No. Oh, oil's not really falling. I really want to kind of get out of this trade. Come on, push down. Keep it going. No, not this one. All right, 760. We got one more trade in us. Let's see what happens. still think it's going back up, but I mean, look at all those wicks. Like, come on. It's just pumping right now. Oil's pumping hard now, right now. Come on. Push through. Could we come right here and take some profit right here? Yeah, but if anything, it's gonna at least come down to here. It needs to push through down here. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on, keep it going. What are we doing on the 5-minute? Keep it going. Of course not. We'll be pumping up here. Needs to figure out which way it's going. I should have kept it in there. Yep, should have let it kept it going. I'll just have to wait for another trade. It pushed through this. Definitely gonna touch that line. Mm-hmm. We'll wait and see what kind of reaction it gets from this, because oil's having a trouble pushing past 87, 83. Could have made all that back. And if it's going, I think we do have a level down here. So we'll see if we can catch that. I'd like to catch this fall right here too. Let's see what it gives us. I'd like to sell here. I'm just gonna let it ride out. Want oil to pump back up. Come on, keep going. Really don't want a 50-point stop loss. Here it goes. We're up 400. Up 500 for the day. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. About 700 for the day. Just keep going because oil's just coming down. One more push down. We'll close it out. So we're up 642 for the day. Clawed back all that, which is good. Is it going to continue that downward? But we're not going to catch that because it could go all over the place. Let's see if it hits my mark. Again, we got tomorrow too. We're up $642 for the day. That's all I need. 500's where I want to be always. Can we catch this? 30 points. Yeah, we also catch it in the wrong direction too. So I'm done for the day. I mean, we were down, came back. Could have gotten more, but it goes there. Continue to dump. But that's all I need, guys. I mean, it's pretty simple. We're up $642 for the day. Definitely a down day. Could we wait for a pullback for its continuation on downward? Yeah, probably, most likely. Do I want to? We'll just wait for tomorrow. Because it's about to hit this pivot point right here. 70 points. But that's all we need. 40 minutes of trading, we're done. So tomorrow we will continue. Got $1,250 left. Let me take this real quick. Let's not be greedy. Alright guys, well, you have a great day and happy trading, guys.